Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows detected a hard disk problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before I want to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing with your hard disk error or any hard disk problem, then I will show you simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open your file explorer. Then go to this PC. In this you will find all your drive partitions. You have to just select one by one, right click on that, click on property. Here you will find tools option. You have to just click on this tools. In this you can see error checking. This option will check the drive for file system errors. Just click on check, then click on scan drive. It will take some time. You have to just do this same step for each and every drive. If there is any issue with the drive, it will fixes the problem automatically. After completion of this, select the second drive and do this same procedure. Right click on the second drive, click on property, click on tools and click on check and click on scan drive. You have to do it one by one for all the drives. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows detected a hard disk problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.